Now, with the Smart Report Maker WordPress plugin, you can seamlessly embed dashboards, linked reports, drill down charts, pivot tables, and metrics generated by Smart Report Maker from your MySQL databases directly into your WordPress website. Under the Embed Manager in Smart Report Maker, you'll find a dedicated page for the WordPress plugin. From this page, you can download the Smart Report Maker Embed WordPress plugin. Next, go to your WordPress admin area, open the plugin section, and click Upload Plugin to upload it. Once the upload is complete, simply activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you'll find Smart Report Maker Embed in the side menu of your WordPress admin panel. Under this section, there are two pages: General Settings, where you can adjust the plugin's configuration, and Embed Shortcodes, which allow you to insert reports, charts, dashboards, pivot tables, or KPIs into your WordPress site. The first step is to configure the plugin's general settings. Two items are required: the Embed Token API URL. This is the API your WordPress site uses to communicate with your Smart Report Maker installation, and the access key, which works as a security token with specific permissions that grant WordPress access to private resources. Both of these can be found in your Smart Report Maker version on the same WordPress page under the Embed Manager, located on the left side of the screen. Let's start by copying the Embed Token API URL and pasting it into the WordPress General Settings page. Next, we need to select an access key with sufficient permissions to access the private resources we want to embed in this WordPress site. If no access keys are available, you'll need to create one from the Embed Manager in Smart Report Maker and assign it to a permission group that has access to the required resources. For better security, you can also restrict the key to a specific origin, such as your WordPress site. Once we've selected the appropriate access key, we need to copy it and paste it into the plugin's General Settings page. With that, the plugin configuration is complete, and we can now start embedding reports and other analytics resources into our WordPress site. This is a demo sales performance dashboard that includes metrics, report links, charts, and pivot tables. I included a variety of elements, and features like drill down are available in the charts, reports, and metrics. For example, you can view the sales of a specific country. You can also navigate through linked reports. Exporting and several other functions are also supported. Our goal is to embed this dashboard into our WordPress site while preserving the drill downs, linking, and export capabilities. With Smart Report Maker, embedding this dashboard into your WordPress site is very simple. First, go to the WordPress plugin under the Embed Manager and choose Dashboard as the resource type. Then, select the dashboard you want and copy its URL. Next, go to the plugin's Shortcodes page and paste the URL into the Create New Shortcode Resource URL field. Add a label to make it easy to identify. Let's call it Demo Dashboard. After filling out the rest of the form, you can create the embed shortcode. Once the shortcode is created, we can copy it directly from the top of the page. Alternatively, we can scroll down to the full list of shortcodes and locate the one labeled Demo Dashboard. After copying it, we can paste the shortcode into any page on our WordPress website. If the dashboard or resource is private and meant to be viewed only by specific members, we need to place that shortcode in a protected area of the site, somewhere only the intended users can access, typically after logging in. The access keys provided by Smart Report Maker ensure that private resources are securely retrieved, but they don't control visibility on your WordPress side. So to keep a private dashboard restricted, it must be embedded in a members-only area. Public resources, on the other hand, can be embedded on any page without special access requirements. Here is the sales dashboard after being embedded in a WordPress site. Notice that the Smart Report Maker interface isn't visible. Only the embedded resource appears. Yet, end users can still drill down, export, and filter directly from the site. In the same way, reports created with Smart Report Maker can also be seamlessly embedded into your WordPress site. Discover what Smart Report Maker 11 can do. Start using it today.